This is physics past Q for Jamb 2023. So I am going to provide the solution for this question number 11. So name the type of equilibrium for each position of the ball: position A, position B, and position C. So before we go to option, let's explain the kind of position this A is, this position B is, and this position C is. So let's start with the A. In this position where the ball is in A is unstable because this ball cannot stay in this kind of position. It must either go in this direction or in this direction. It cannot stay because if you look at the point, it's like a curve. So a ball cannot stay on the curve. It will slip. It will either go in this direction or in this direction. So this A position is unstable. Then position B. In this position B is curved but inward. So ball can stay in this position without moving this way or this way. So in this position, this is stable. This position B is stable. So let's go to position C. So in position C, the ball is stable if you didn't touch it. It's stable, but if you touch it, it will go. So this kind of position is called neutral. So let's come back to option. We know A is unstable, so unstable, and B neutral, so our B is not neutral, so the option A is not the answer. Then B stable, option A position A is not stable, so that one is also not the answer. Option C stable, so position A is also not stable. So let's look at D. Option D, A unstable, yeah, A is unstable. B stable, yeah, B is stable. C neutral, C is neutral, so option D is the answer. So if you want to learn how to solve Jamb past question for physics, go into our bio and click on the YouTube. It will direct you to our YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, I have solved so many physics past Q. You can go there and learn for free. Thank you.